That's how similar is MPL-MY and MPL Indo is. I would compare MPL-MY similar to MPL Indo. Why? In a way that there is, I would say, I don't want to say this in a way that we look overconfident, but I just basically want to say what is happening. So, in MPL Indo, you see, right, Onyx Indo is dominating so much in their league. And in this MPL-MY, I think it's also like us against all of the teams. And all of the teams are really challenging us and trying their best to dethrone us. So I think that's how similar is MPL-MY and MPL Indo is. But MPL-PH is very different because you cannot predict like who will be champion. Like for example, I think a lot of season there will be one team that will win streak, right? Like last season, LPH, right? But the season before that, the M Series season, it was Onyx. And then they won also. But on that season, Aurora really gave them a fight, went to Game 7. So in Philippines, that's the difference. It's really unpredictable on who will be the champion, regardless if there's someone who is win streak. The usual ones will be like for sure MPL-PH because it's very competitive. But the ones that I sometimes watch for entertainment and also knowledge, also MPL Cambodia because they like to taunt, right? They will run to the opposite team. They literally in front of them. So it's kind of entertaining. So that's why MPL Cambodia is fun to watch as well. And then when it comes to Dark Horse, I always believe that MPL Myanmar have a lot of Dark Horse teams.